Hey guys, how are you? So I have been trying to find different items that could help me to mount my phone or mount anything. So these are some items that I found on Bamboo Lab Studio here, and I added few of them to my collection. So recently I printed this one. It looks great, but seems to add some stress onto the monitor because like we are scrolling everything. Yeah, it's good to have this one to be mounted to the monitor. At the same time, I found this one a little bit interesting because it can be extended for maximum reachability and support. So I was thinking about like whether to print this one. Oh, of course, I don't know how it goes, but this arm structure seems to be it's like a big print, and the arm structure seems to be reasonably length. I don't know whether it will be wobbly or something like that. Once I have the print, I don't know what is mounted. It's like can should be able to support a phone, and also there are no additional screws, so the thread is like the engraved to the plastic arms, so don't have any nuts that we need to tie. That makes the design clean. Okay, and also we have a ball joint here and allowing us to move the stuff. That's also great, and I think I might go with this one. So it's how many plates? It's three plates. So yeah, it's three plates, and hopefully this might be able to fit to my table. Okay, let's slice this and see what we can do. So it's almost like 207 grams, and what is the infill here? 3 volts and 30% infill density. So it should be, so I don't need to add any additional modifiers for these things. I maybe because almost 30% infill and might hold, what is this? There are three plates, so why we cannot click, right? So all right, so anyway, let's go with the print and see how it turns out. Okay, so let's slice this guy up. Okay, it's still at 80%. I don't know, this slicer takes a little bit of time sometimes because the print might be large, and with the development of the software now, maybe they are having much more advanced features that I need to select this one. Yeah, so okay, let's go with this then. Let's slice this and print this one. Everything should take up like 6 hours for this plate, so in total it might be like 17 hours. All right, so yeah, let's send this one, and after that let's see how it goes. I hope that I have cleaned my print bed and everything, and it's like 8.3 megabytes. Okay, let's go to the device and see whether everything is like cleaned. Yeah, it's clean. Okay, it's running now. All right, so it's doing the initial calibration, so I will let this thing run for some time.